Hi everyone, my name is Nan. I'm a physical therapist and also the founder of the clinic Integral Performance Physio. So last time my colleague Ryan have shown everyone how to foam their upper and the lower back, and it has been really helpful. So today we're going to show you guys how you can use the foam roller for other part of your body, especially for the legs. That's an excellent tool. So first, let's use it for our IT band. So our IT band is coming from the hip area here, going all the way down to the knee. This muscle tends to be very tight and could give a lot of issue and problem to the kneecap. So to foam roll the IT band, what we'll do is that we're gonna have our side laying on the foam roller, which we're gonna use our upper body strength to control that. It's gonna look a little bit like a side plank. And then what we're gonna do is that we're gonna bend the opposite leg in the front in order to control the direction of the movement and how much weight you wanna put on this leg. So basically, if you're feeling the upper body, it's gonna be a little bit hard on the shoulder, you can actually keep this leg bent. It's gonna be easier to control the movement, and also you're gonna put less weight on the foam roller. The thing is that it's going to be a little bit hard to go for a bigger amplitude of movement. So basically, you can foam roll starting from the hip, and then you can put it a little bit lower, like so. And then the area where you feel the tightness, you can stay there for a little bit longer. So I find like starting from the knee, it's always a good way to start and feeling more comfortable with the movement. And then once you feel like, oh, you're pretty comfortable and the amount of pressure is good, what you can do is that you straighten the bottom leg, and then you can go from the bottom of the knee here, and then really get to the entire muscle fiber. So in this way, it will really help you target the tension of each fiber and the sore spot. And another muscle group that we can greatly use the foam roller are our quad muscle. Our quad muscle, we use it all the time, especially for a lot of sports that involve jumping or running. And so basically, we're gonna go on our stomach like this. So we're gonna go into a plank position. And the quad is going from the hip on the front, and then it goes all the way down towards the kneecap. So we can also do two different ways. So the first one would be staying in one spot. I really focus on the area of tension. And the other way would go really longitudinal along the muscle fiber. So basically, you're gonna go from the knee all the way down to the other side of the muscle. And then you can also combine it with movement. So basically, you can bend your knee, going all the way down, and then straighten your leg, come up. So by doing like so, it's also a great way to actually work on the core and strengthen the core and the arms as well. And the other muscle group would be more the muscle in the back of the thigh. So these are our hamstring muscle and also our glute. These muscles tend to be very tight, especially when we're sitting for a very prolonged period of time, because they actually like shorten the muscle a lot. So the hamstring and the glute, they're from over here, from the buttocks all the way down to behind the knee. So basically, we can go in a reverse plank position like so, and then you just go from behind the knee and then going all the way up there. And if we want to foam roll the glute, what you could do is that you can actually stay in a glute stretch position like so, and then really go on the area where you feel the muscle tension. So the motion, it could be back and forth, or you can actually roll side to side as well. This movement though, it might put a little bit more stress on your shoulder, so you really want to make sure that you're actually opened up your shoulder, that you're not pushing your shoulder forward. If this movement is a little bit difficult to do, what I would suggest is to use a tennis ball or massage ball, which is going to be a bit smaller and it's going to be easier to control with your arm. So yeah, you can check it out. We have a different video showing how to release the the buttocks muscle tension using the massage ball. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and then try to use the foam roller at home as well. It's an excellent tool to self-release all kinds of muscle tension and the soreness is there. So have fun, guys.